Ay man to ko na makeup man. Ona makeup unje. Sema noma ngathi anizovuza daka unje lo mntana. Mhlenyani.
Oh Santa, Yakanda, TikTok go. Bye-bye.
No hay para que resiste. No hay launch. No hay cat. Hi, Zan.
Darling. Oh, it's good to see you, baby. Hi, Pudi. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi, this vlog.
What are you having?
Cappuccino. No.
Nam. Take a sell, look.
How does it look to sell?
Serious, guys.
Let's see if I
I'm pretty bad, guys. I'm making me. Yes. Yes.
I can't even have online otherwise. Some tata guys.
Pirigazana. Karunga taon siguro. Sinasya gandla.
Yeah. I get.
Oh, nice. Ningangena abafana bam. Guys, ndifike nje ndathi khakha because kaloku kunyanzelekile sibone bangubani umanqoba kanti unqobele ingenza ay guys ilanduka yam.
And the MMA for best collaboration goes to
Mithandazo.
Captain the Small.
Yes. Let's talk about my ways. Ngicela ukubonga iZK 3 Club. Ngicela ukubonga family yami, ngicela ukubonga uma wami ngalomzimba muhle. Ngicela ukubonga iproducts zika ZK 3 Club. Ngicela ukubonga umuntu obelieve kumina. Ngicela ukubonga ama customer ami. Ngicela ukubonga wena ubukele le video. Ungakhohlwa ulike, ucomment, usubscribe. Yeah. Body of the year goes to Uzinhle kweman. Ke voice ka Dani, my man. Best produced album. Shit. Again. Hello, Dabam. Hi, baby.
Take a look at our nominees for the best viral challenge.
Now it's good, guys. Tanga niyalibona. Itsula niyalibona. Nzitsula. This is from Not Culture. Bandi bize kakuhle, but I'm gonna igama labo up. Piri. Avuteka ndikoduki. Andikoduki. Kaluslapi. Oh, vaga misusebe. Vaga misinobolo. Kubana me. Egiti vaga misusebe. Kubana misinobolo. Kubani. Imbi yasemthatha. Imbi yamashangane. Kubani. Ninene. Imbi yasemthatha. Imbi yamashangane. Asa. Kubani. Continue to put my stage. Come on, boy. Usuke. Matini. Sipi Santa.
ndixelela phaa ekhayeni xa ngabe uqala ubhomba uba mamela ke phuma endleleni ngoku uyaphambuka. Xosa gaba olufunayo.
Sisinamzuzu. Otherwise, 11 minutes past 2 besishilo sathi sahamba ekuseni apha xa kusisa
khona into ethi mandithi ungayenzeli ukwaziwa.
Thank you so much.
Yenze kuba inhliziyo yakho isithi yenze kuba uyiphile. If you're doing it for fame, you're gonna fall quickly because ugade uba ngomso kuzawuthwala ingane.
Xa ungathwali uyatyhafa.
And ke ngoku xa ungathethwayo depression starts. Uzibulala, uyabona i-suicidal nontoni. And then ke ngoku naba bakhoyo abantu bafana nathi mabathi xa bekho bangacinga fast bayayizophela khona uzinhle kwamalo omtsho zofika ngomso so relaxa kuthiwa fast ba no Eastern Cape yam no Eastern Cape yakho yomuntu wonke. There's so much talent in Eastern Cape and into isemntwini. If we're not going to fight for what you want and what you truly need and want to do in life, it's a guy to the deals and boys and abanye abantu ayo yakho.
I always say no khona umntana out there ulelizwe imali kwagqitha nosasa
Xanikhala kuwe uzophendula mama no umntana uzophendula apha ekhaya dango.
Tommy, Tommy sifuna ukufota ngefoni yakwamasipala yima. Xa ufota ngefoni yakwamasipala yima nontombi. Tommy. Kaya lento zihambe uthaya. TikTok, YouTube.
You love us so much. You heal us, baby. Enjoy the rest of your year. Enjoy the rest of your year, please. Bye. And you kindness, bye. Oh, Santa, you kinda. TikTok, go. Bye-bye.
Yeah, man, I'm about to vlog.
What's the guy money love of my life?
Yes.
Ndamthanda engekathandwa ngabantu bonke.
Hayi.
Ndamazi like uzothandwa.
Hayi. Sithanda ukwayimane. Ayithande le madoda.
Wathi nje akazothanda nathi manje ndiyamthanda.
Hayibo.
Love you so much mntasekhaya. Mntasekhaya, bathi abantu awuzuba yena awuzoba yiyo. Hayi. Qoga namanga wena. Mina ndiyamthanda ngaseNgcobo. eNgcobo uthandwa ndim ndodwa.
Usikhulani nezwe ube usukube hayi man poko ona make up man. Ona make up unje.
Uthandwa ndim ndodwa.
Sema noma ngathi anizovusa adaka unje lo mntana. Mhlenyana. Naturally, physical, dimensional, lyrical, emotionally.
Mama, eNgcobo uthanda sikisodwa like eNgcobo.
It's almost 3:30 a.m. guys, and I am Lalink. I'm just gonna take a quick shower, Delali, because wow. guys already know the plug. ZK Detox Tea, my very own brand. You guys know, if you start your day with this, khwanyiwa. Let it simmer for like 3 minutes and then you're good to go. It helps with constipation, removes toxins from digestive system, you know, boosts energy, appetite, yes, suppress appetite, reduces bloating, skin, get more and burns fat. Okay, ciao. Skin from ZK Fit Club. Tea from ZK Fit Club. Body from ZK Fit Club. Who's it? Hope you guys are having a good day. I love you so much. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing, supporting me, loving me, accepting me for who I am, and just being part of my life. Yeah, well, so enjoy your day. Know that I love you. Pray, party, and the rest will be history. Guys, almost into a minute skin was a K Fit Club. Tango. Practice on Jara, guys, huh? Practice on a show. Boy, peel a moment. You understand? Guys, no ban for men on motor, guys, for men. It's a sign. It's a sign. It's like a peel. Depending on the banana. Who's